Hmm?
Whoa!
We gotta stop.
Daddy, no! Don't!
He's taking a video, you know.
Really? Daddy, stop!
Some people seem to know more about Grandpa than I do, and you know, they're like, oh, I'm doing this, and I'm
Daddy!
doing that. But thank you for reminding
Stop
me.
it! Stop it!
It's very, everybody just wants to tell you that they're pushing work and a lot of people, you know,
Stop it.
a lot of people from the Star Trek franchise world are, you know, I became a scientist because of Star Trek or whatever, and that's always kind of cool.
It's really good to connect with the fans and to give them some face time because they're the reason we're doing this. We have no function as actors. We don't have an audience. Hopefully, enjoying what we're doing. So it's really nice to actually thank them for showing up every week and watching.
When you guys come to a convention, what do you guys like to see?
I just like talking to the fans and seeing the costumes and walking around the floor and
Oh my gosh!
So we asked a few of the attendees for their advice on how to maximize your enjoyment at a convention. It is really overwhelming here because there is so much to see and so much to do, so you sort of schedule your day, you'll get some of it done.
One of the most important things is to pace yourself. You know, if you try and run around and see everything, then you're